Welcome back, friends. We are learning the chapter Cell, the unit of life, and we have studied about the cell envelope, which is made up of cell membrane and cell wall in eukaryotic types of cell. And now we are going inside the cell to study the cell organelles, mainly eukaryotic cell organelles. We all know that eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells have so much difference in them, and eukaryotic cells have these membrane bound cell organelles, which is now we are going to study. So basically in this video we are going to discuss about the membrane, one of the membrane bound cell organelle, which is endoplasmic reticulum, right? It is also the part of the endomembranous system, which is made up of these four cell organelles, which includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and vacuoles. So this is one of them, endoplasmic reticulum. So what is endoplasmic reticulum, guys? It is mainly present, actually it is present in the eukaryotic cells, as we have studied earlier, that it is present only in eukaryotic cells, which means plants, animals, protist or fungus, right? Only eukaryotic types of cells we will find this cell organelle. And where it is present, so suppose this is eukaryotic cells, so it will contain nucleus, true nucleus and nuclear membrane. So suppose this is nucleus and this is our nuclear membrane. Okay, so this endoplasmic reticulum will start from this nuclear membrane like this, and sometimes it starts and ends with the starts from the nuclear membrane and ends to the plasma membrane or cell membrane of the cells. It can be start with the other side also, so it will look like this. So it is the network, or why this is the term reticulum. Reticulum means the network of the sac-like structures, or sometimes it is tubular also. So mainly they are like, mainly they are of two types, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what is difference between rough endoplasmic, means RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum means they will contain the ribosomes on their surface. Okay, they will contain ribosomes, with ribosomes. So that's why they kind of look like a rough structure than the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack these ribosomes. They do not contain any ribosomes on their surface. That's why they look kind of smooth than these rough endoplasmic reticulum. And these smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not have any ribosomes on their surface. So basically they are of two types, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they are spread throughout the cytoplasm from nuclear membrane to the plasma membrane. Sometimes it cannot, it can be end with the half of the cytoplasm, but sometimes they are spread throughout the cytoplasm. So that's why they can divide the intracellular space into the two types or two compartments. It is luminal and extraluminal. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the intracellular space, means mainly we call it as cytoplasm, but it divides its intracellular space into two compartments, which is luminal, means inside the lumen or tube like structure. What is luminal means any organelle or any substance which is kind of tube like structure, so we will call inside its tube as luminal or lumen. Okay, so any structure which is tube like, the inside space which will be called it as lumen or luminal. So it is luminal inside the endoplasmic reticulum and extraluminal means outside the endoplasmic reticulum means cytoplasm, right? So it divides the intracellular space into two different types, luminal and extraluminal. After that, the function, this was all about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum perform the function of protein synthesis. Why? Because they are contains the ribosomes. But which type of endoplasmic reticulum will perform the function of the protein synthesis is that rough endoplasmic reticulum. Means rough endoplasmic reticulum will be perform the function of protein synthesis. We know ribosomes provides the site for the protein synthesis, so that's why RER the function is protein synthesis and ACR function is lipid synthesis or detoxification. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the process of lipid synthesis and detoxification. Smooth endoplasmic is mainly present, mostly it is more in the liver cells because liver performs the function of detoxification. So that's why ACR found are more in the liver cells. So that's why these membrane bound organisms perform the function of protein synthesis and lipid synthesis. So this was all about endoplasmic reticulum. I am very sorry about the background noise. So this was all about the membrane bound organelle which we have studied, the endoplasmic reticulum. In the next video we are going to study the similar organelle which is Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus in the next video. I hope this is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.